Hi guys, welcome back to another sonic screwdriver video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 10th Doctor's sonic screwdriver by Rubbertoe Replicas. Oh yes, oh yes. Now this is a sonic screwdriver that I've been really looking forward to adding to the collection. I ordered it back when the pre-orders went live at the beginning of the year, and I was really happy because it came yesterday, so I was really happy when that came. Anyway, I thought let's make a video now, sooner rather than later, so let's get on with it. As you can see, it comes in this lovely aluminium tin with the Doctor Who logo right in the middle there, the Doctor Who Tardis logo there, and some lovely Gallifreyan text with the 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver by Rubbertoe Replicas printed on it. So, I have opened this already, I won't lie. I was pretty excited when it arrived, but let's open it again for you guys. So I'll put this over here. So first thing you'll see is this lovely letter by Nick himself. So yeah, I'm not going to read that, but we'll pop it over the side. So, and the second thing you will see is the certificate of authenticity. So you can see here, mine is number 38 of 300. And I'm pretty sure they're selling really quick, so if you want one, make sure you get one quickly. That's the back of the card there with the Tardis on. Pretty sure that's Matt Smith's Tardis, but we'll let that slide because the rest of the card is beautiful. So I'll also pop that over here. Now, on to the main event. This is the first thing you'll see once you've taken off the letter in the certificate. Is the head of the Sonic. Very nice, very nice. So once we take off this cover, that's what we want to see. Now look at that. Beautiful. So as you can see, we've got the screwdriver, the display stand, and the rest of the display stand. So I will take the screwdriver out first. I'll just pop it over here real quick. Get the stand out first, guys. Hold on a second, hold on. Let's see. So I'll put this stand out. Hold on. And it's on a USB client, which is really handy. You can plug it into a computer or a plug, if you have a plug, I guess. Okay, so I have a battery pack, so I'm just going to use that for the purpose of this video. So, you can see it's lit up there with some white LEDs. I thought it would be blue, but actually white. And some more Gallifreyan text printed on this window. And then the 3D printed Tardis console, which resembles the 9th and 10th Doctor's Tardis. Slots in here, and clicks in place, and the screwdriver sits on it like that, which is very nice. But let's look at the screwdriver first. So, I'll put the stand over here. Now, here it is. Very nice, very nice. So, as you can see, we've got the grey crackle design, which is based on the Series 4 version of the props and the specials, the 2009 specials. It's real nice. Real fine detail on the crackle there. It's beautiful. Really, I like the fine crackle. Not really a fan of the big crackle. Crack. Anyway, It's really loud, a lot louder than I was expecting. It seems to have the 11th Doctor's sound chip from the character options toys, which is fine, you know. The more sounds the better, really, but yeah. So let's extend it. So there's the yellow wiring in there, and the blue stripe. Very nice. Very loud. Even louder once you've extended it, obviously. You can see the speaker grill in there. It's gorgeous. So I believe you unscrew the end cap for the batteries to replace the batteries, which I'm not going to do right now because I don't need to. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So I'll show it on the stand for a moment. I'm not going to do a full review of this screwdriver, mainly because I've just got it, and I'm pretty sure there's already a review out there already. But what I will do is I will bring in my CT, Celestial Toy Store, sonic screwdriver, and you know, I used to think this was loud, but blimey. I'll do a little comparison in a moment. Since they're kind of based off the same prop, I've also got the Wand Company version of the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, which is also based on the same prop. And I have the MFX version of the Sonic Screwdriver, which is also based on the same prop. So even though it looks nothing like it, but you know, that's another story. So I'm not going to do a big comparison, it's just going to be like, you know, there it is, and get it over with. So, there we go. Nice. Okay, well, we'll start from the emitter tips. Oh, fighting already. The old Grub Screws there. You can see they're a bit smaller on the Rubbertoe than the CT, but we all know which one's probably more accurate. Maybe. Little sound comparison there. Now you can see the acrylic on my CT has cracked, but that is with age, and that's also because the channel was frosted, and that's probably what's caused the cracking to begin with, whereas on the Rubbertoe it hasn't been frosted, so that just means it's not going to crack, which is better for the long run really, because it looks a lot nicer when it isn't cracked. It's got blue LED, really loud speaker, the 11th Doctor sound chip with 4 sounds, and a really nice crackle fan. So I'd say it's ticking all the boxes so far. Really nice slider as well. Really smooth slider mechanism. It doesn't stay up when you extend it, but neither does the CT. The only one, well, I mean, it just did, okay, it kind of does. It kind of does. It doesn't usually, guys. And it's a bit stiff. Yeah, okay. The Wand Company, however, that one does stay up. And it still works, surprisingly. But yeah, we'll do a little comparison of the Wand Company one now. You can see they are quite similar. They're probably more similar than the actual CT. I am shaking a bit there, but that is because I'm holding it at a weird angle, because I've got the camera right in the middle of my hand here. You can see the emitter, that's where it's all different there. Much prefer the emitter on the Rubbertoe. And lastly we'll do a really quick comparison of the MFX can see the both got yellow wires. See, my MFX doesn't really have twisted wires. Well, it's got a twist. It's got a twist in it, guys, but it doesn't look as good as that. That's for sure. Very nice. So yes, I am liking this screwdriver so far. It's gorgeous, and the stand really tops it off. It looks great on display next to my other screwdrivers, and yeah, I can't wait to play with it a bit more. I'm not going to read this out, it's quite long. Obviously, if you've ordered one, you'll be able to read it then. There's the certificate, you know, here's the lovely box, and there's the other screwdrivers. They're all out of shop, but it's great. I'd definitely recommend getting one of these screwdrivers. It's quite a lot of money, but it's worth it. I'd say it's worth it. It looks great on that stand. What other screwdriver comes with a stand like that? You do pay for the stand in the price. I mean, you must do. But they are selling quite quickly, guys, so they're limited to 300, and I believe they've sold maybe 200 or more, probably more already, and who knows when they're going to be available again. I mean, look at the CT. That came out in 2013, 2012, when they sold for £250, which was, you know, pretty good price, but now, God, they sell for like anything 500 plus. So it's definitely worth the money, and it will definitely keep its value. So I would definitely recommend getting one if you're a fan of the 10th Doctor screwdriver. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.